Ano yun?
Yung gizzard, parang
Lizard yun, ma'am.
Gizzard.
Sorry.
Balon-balon.
Hindi lizard. Obligasyon ng mga teacher yan. Nila padre rin sa simbahan, magturo kayo. They forget na ang unang-una po at makapangyarihan po na
Basic
teacher
units.
unang-una, sila mami.
Yeah.
Tama.
The family.
At saka, dapat malaman ng mga magulang, no? The parents are the first experience of God.
Pag pinalaki mo ang anak mo na may kilalang Diyos, may takot sa Diyos, wala kang dapat ikatakot pag tumanda ka rin.
Yeah.
I think yun yung hinanda ni Mami Kate for her children.
Yes.
Is really give God to your children.
Mahalaga that our children have that deep personal connection with God.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi natin sila mababantayan all the time. Hindi
Yeah.
po ba?
Tama po kayo.
Diba? So, at least you are comforted with the thought that they are with God always and He will be there to take care of them.
Yeah.